Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 says 2a to the 4th b to the 5th times 3ab squared. Since this is multiplication, I'm going to use the product property. The product property for exponents says exponents with the same base, when you multiply them, you add the exponents together. So let's take it part by part. 2 times 3, since those are regular numbers, has always been and will forever be 6. Now I'm going to look at the base a. I have a to the 4th and a. Remember, when there's no exponent shown, it's a hidden 1. So that's a to the 1st. I'll keep the base a and add 4 plus 1 and get 5. Now let's look at the b base. B to the 5th times b squared. I'll keep the base b and add 5 plus 2 and get 7. So my answer would be 6a to the 5th, b to the 7th.